Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to contact Instagram about hacked account. So your Instagram account has been hacked and you want to inform Instagram about your problem that your account has been hacked. So what you have to do to inform Instagram about your problem is to just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like. So after opening your browser, in the search bar, now you have to type www.instagram.com/hacked/. And after searching for that link, now it will take you to a page where you can report your problem. So if your account has been hacked, what you have to do is you just have to choose this option, my account was hacked, and then just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to enter the username, phone number or mobile number of the account that had been hacked. So after entering your email, just tap on next. And after tapping on next, now you have to come all the way down, and here you can find disable account. You just have to open that arrow and then tap on was this helpful, just tap on no, and now you have to tap on other. After tapping on other, now you have to enter the problem that you have faced. So your account has been hacked, so now you just have to enter my Instagram account has been hacked. After entering your problem, you just have to tap on submit. And after tapping on submit, your feedback has been sent successfully, and Instagram will see your feedback and they will take action and they might recover your account. So this is how to contact Instagram about hacked account. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.